Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan dumplings from scratch, a truly satisfying culinary adventure for anyone. We will start by gathering simple, fresh ingredients, transforming them into a delightful plant-based meal. This recipe ensures a burst of savory flavor in every bite, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Get ready to create something wonderful and incredibly delicious in your kitchen today. Begin by pressing your firm tofu to remove excess moisture, then crumble it into a bowl. Next, finely chop 1 cup of shiitake mushrooms and 1/2 cup of shredded cabbage. Gently sauté these vegetables with fresh ginger and minced garlic until they become tender and aromatic. Season this mixture with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, then let it cool down fully. Now comes the fun part, shaping your dumplings with care. Take 1 round wrapper and place approximately 1 tablespoon of your prepared, cooled filling in its center. Lightly moisten the outer edge of the wrapper with just a little water. This helps create a strong seal. Fold the wrapper in half over the filling, then gently press and pleat the edges together, ensuring there are no gaps. You have a couple of fantastic options for cooking your beautifully crafted dumplings. For a crispy bottom, pan-fry them in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil for about 2 minutes, achieving a golden hue. Then, add 1/2 cup of water to the pan, cover it, and steam for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender. Alternatively, you can simply steam them in a bamboo basket for 8 to 10 minutes. Your homemade vegan dumplings are now ready to be enjoyed immediately. Serve them warm with a simple, yet flavorful dipping sauce made from soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of chili oil. Garnish with some freshly chopped scallions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an extra flourish. Congratulations! You have successfully created a delightful and healthy meal everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.